It's now mid-2025. The war in Ukraine is still going. But on the battlefield, things aren't getting better for Kyiv. The front lines are shifting, slowly but surely, and not in Ukraine's favor. In Donbass, more territories are falling into Russian hands. In Zaporizhzhia, Ukrainian troops are struggling to hold the line. Russian strikes keep coming, and one question is starting to echo among military analysts. Does Ukraine still have a clear strategy, or are they just prolonging the war without direction? In early July 2025, Russia launched another airstrike in Donbass. This time, they dropped an ODAB-1500 thermobaric bomb from a Su-34 fighter jet. The target, Ukraine's 100th Separate Mechanized Brigade, stationed near Pleshchayevka. The result? Direct hit. Their UAV systems and short-range air defense launchers were destroyed. But here's the thing. This wasn't a rare event. It's become routine. Russia drops these bombs almost weekly, and almost every single time they hit their targets. So, why can't Ukraine stop them? Why is there never an interception? The answer is simple. It's not about negligence. It's about how modern warfare works. The ODAB-1500 isn't a missile. It's a guided bomb launched from a jet fitted with a glide kit called UMPK. It can glide 50 kilometers before hitting the ground. Once it's released, most air defense radars don't have time to react. Patriot systems, NASAMS, IRIS-T. None of them are designed to intercept falling bombs. They're built to shoot down planes, drones, or missiles, not gravity bombs. But here's the real question. If Ukraine knows they can't stop these bombs after they're released, why are they allowing this pattern to repeat? Ukraine's air defense has a major weakness. It's not evenly spread. Most of their systems are focused on protecting major cities and infrastructure. Kyiv, Lviv, Dnipro, Odessa. That's where the priorities are. The front lines, places like Pleshchayevka, they're left with minimal air defense. It's a strategic decision, but it comes with consequences. If Ukraine moves all their air defenses to the front, the big cities become exposed to Russian missiles and drones. But leaving the front lines open means letting Russia destroy positions one by one, using guided bombs from safe distances. And that's exactly what's happening. Right now, Ukraine's military depends almost entirely on foreign aid. The United States, the EU, the UK, NATO allies, they supply the artillery, the air defense systems, even most of the drones. This support saved Ukraine in 2022. But now, in 2025, it raises another question. How long can Ukraine keep fighting like this? What happens if the aid slows down? What if political winds change in Washington or Brussels? Is Ukraine prepared for that? Ukraine calls this a survival strategy. And, to be fair, it makes sense on the surface. They're fighting for national survival, so they take any support they can get. But let's look at the facts on the ground. Ukraine's defense lines keep retreating, slowly but consistently. Avdiivka is gone. Mariinka is gone. Chasiv Yar is almost surrounded, and every time they lose ground, the pattern repeats. They retreat. They ask for more weapons, and they keep fighting the same way, expecting different results. That's where the real concern starts. Is this still a strategy for survival, or is it just prolonging a conflict without real direction? So, what's the way out? For Ukraine to survive, they need more than just outside help. They need to rebuild domestic production. They need to improve frontline air defense, not just in the big cities. and they need a better strategy to reduce Russia's air dominance. If they don't, this pattern will keep repeating. The front lines will keep shrinking, the losses will pile up, and eventually the war could reach a point where the cost of continuing becomes unsustainable. This war is no longer about who has the best technology. It's about who can adapt faster. Ukraine is still in the fight. That's a fact. But the real question is, are they fighting with a strategy that works, or just fighting because they don't know what else to do? If nothing changes soon, the answer to that question will reveal itself on the battlefield. This content is created solely for educational and informational purposes. It is intended to provide insights based on verified data, credible sources, and careful analysis. Our goal is to foster a deeper understanding of modern military technology and current events, not to promote or endorse any form of conflict, propaganda, or political agenda. We strictly oppose the spread of misinformation and hoaxes. Every piece of information presented has been carefully sourced from reliable, publicly available references. We encourage viewers to approach the topic with critical thinking and respect for all sides involved, maintaining a focus on knowledge sharing and open discussion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on military tech, global conflict, and defense strategies. This is Tapur Update, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp.